Marquis Parks Royal. Today on Marquis Parks Royal, we'll be seeing a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ, which is located in the heart of Lekki corridors. So come along with me, let's see what this beauty has in stock for us.
If you haven't learned this yet, then prepare for troubled waters. Yeah.
Looking at the compound, it's quite spacious, it's big, and it can park 3 cars conveniently. This property is sitting on a 300 square foot. So looking at this side, we have our gatehouse in place, and we have this 20 kVA gen. It does not come with this house. This kVA gen can power everything, when I mean everything in this house seamlessly. But note, it does not come with the house. It can be negotiated differently. So come along with me and let's see what this beauty has in store for us.
Yeah.
Auntie room, and we have our guest toilet here. Moving into our living space, you see it's furnished already. We have the chairs in place, beautiful architectural design. I love the blend of gold and brown. Everything about this parlor looks seamless and beautiful. Nice chandeliers. We have our lighting features in place. We also have our 65 inches television here, where you can sit, have a nice time, you know, sitting down and having a cool time with yourself. And I'm chilling like, okay, let me change to this channel and watch whatever I want to watch. I love the blend of this architectural design. You know, you can just put in your aesthetics here, as in either your frame, everything you want. So it's quite spacious. Our living space is quite spacious. I love this frame, nice the design. And on this side we have our dining set. Lovely. We have the marble. This is a marble countertop dining set, and we have our lighting features in place. We also have our air conditioning port in place with beautiful curtains. Nice lighting features as well. On this side we have our bar, nice bar set and lovely chairs to sit and have a nice time. So we also have an intercom where you can also speak to somebody that is at the gate. Right from this side you can see whoever that comes to visit you right on this side. So everything about this house is fully smart. So come along with me and let's see our fully fitted kitchen, which is on my left hand side. Fitted kitchen. I love the blend of colors, as in the marble countertop comes in brown and black. The floor tile goes with the marble countertop, and the blend of red and orange. Everything looks perfect. We'll have our microwave on this side, and we'll have our oven. For those that love baking. We have tons of storage spaces on this side. Tons of storage spaces. Our marble countertop and lot of storage spaces. Our kitchen cabinet is right in place. Then we have our gas top, and we also have our heat extractor. This is quite different. Everything is in place. We have our water heater. You can use it to heat your water to any level you want. Our dual sink, so you can decide to use this or this side. We also have our air conditioning port in place. So to this side we have our store where you can tweak it the way you want to your own taste. So come along with me, let's head over to the 5-bedroom. This is the first bedroom, which is the guest bedroom. It's all fully fitted. We have our toilet and bath all in place. So come along with me, let's head upstairs and see the other 4 bedrooms. The The first thing you're being graced with is our family lounge. It's quite spacious and big. You remember I talked about space. Spacious, spacious. We have our lighting features, beautiful lighting features to bring out the beauty. On this side, you can have your 2 sofa, 3 sofa, which way you want. You have your 50-inch television on this side and have a beautiful time with your family members. So let's head over to our second bedroom, which is on this side. Quite spacious and big, fully fitted with a lot of windows, 2 windows to bring in fresh air. We also have our toilet and bath fully fitted. On this side, we have the third bedroom. Quite spacious. It has large windows to bring in fresh air. We also have our toilet and bath all en suite. So let's head over to the fourth bedroom, which is close to the master's bed where the actions happen. So here we have our fourth bedroom fully fitted. We have our wardrobe in place. We also have the air conditioning port and our air conditioning in place. Beautiful lighting features and everything about here looks beautiful. So let's go to where the action happens. Gang, gang! Come along with me. So this is our master suite. It's quite spacious. It's quite spacious. It comes in 2 big, gigantic windows. So it's quite spacious to bring. You can have your 6x6 bed on this side, any which way you want. It's your space, so you can tweak it the way you want. We also already have our ports for your television. You know how you just made this place look very beautiful. Our beautiful lighting features. I love this light. It's like disco. You know when you're doing gang, 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 gang. I can't dance, so don't mind me. So I love the disco light. Everything about here looks beautiful. Wide windows, and I love the floor. The floor tiles looks beautiful. It blends. It goes with the white blend and nice doors. Everything about this place looks beautiful. And we have our mini walk-in closet. I call it mini walk-in closet. You can call it anything you want, but me, I call it mini walk-in closet because I can literally go through this place and you can have your clothing, your shoes, your bag, whichever you want. And the fact that it's actually tall, I'm just thinking, how will you get up there? But you know how you figure it all out. So nice walk-in closet, and we have large windows to bring in fresh air. On this side, we have our master's fully fitted toilet and bathtub. We have our bathtub where you can stay here, soak yourself after all the stress and the day work, or you can actually use the shower. Nice shower head and faucet. Then we have the toilet, floor to ceiling tiles, everything in place. We also have our windows. So heading over to our balcony, where you can have a feel of your estate. It looks beautiful, isn't it? This 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ comes with an amazing offer. I call it an amazing offer because properties within this estate are way big above this particular price. So this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex comes for 125 million naira if you're taking the furnitures. The furnitures in the sitting room as well as the 5-bedroom has AC, brand new AC. So if you're taking that for 125 million naira, which is slightly negotiable. Okay, the second option is if you don't want any of those furnitures, it's selling at 110 million naira, which is also slightly negotiable. For more information, you can kindly call the numbers popping up on your screen. And if you're just joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed, and please click on the notification bell to notify you when I drop more juicy offers and videos on this channel. And please, I'm begging, share to your family, friends and loved ones. You don't know who might be in the market in need of a particular property, so please share this video to as many people as possible. Till I come your way next time, is bye from here. Bye.